Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry if I bore half of yours, but I'm boring cunt. What I'm going to do today is, if any of you have got an old tired looking parcel shelf, usually Mark II Fiesta, Esco Mark III Turbo, etc, 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 we all know they go fluffy, look a mess, make your car look crap. So what I'm going to do, keep it short and sweet. I've got a parcel shelf I've found myself in possession of, no good to me, so I'm going to sell that on. So to get the best profit out of that for me, so I can spend it elsewhere on my other cars, is rather than trying to sell a tired looking parcel shelf, it limits the market. Nobody wants to buy a scruffy parcel shelf, so let's clean it up, let's make it best I possibly can, and it's all going to cost the sum of absolutely nothing. So I'm going to touch on now how we go about it, show you how to do it, and you'll see the outcome. And for it should take all in 10 minutes, so 10 minutes of my time. I'll show you this little video. It's one of them what we call time-lapse, little time-lapse video of me doing it. Took 10 minutes all, and the improvements in 9 days. So turned it from a 4 to a 10 to, well, I say about an 8 parcel shelf, because no used parcel shelf, which is probably nearly 30-year-old, is going to look that good. But it's good enough for a show car. I'd be more than happy to put it in my car. So have a look at this. Let me know what you think. Share it if you think it's a good video, and you've got other friends on Facebook that you think could benefit from this. Please share it, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. You can comment, tell me I'm a cunt or I'm boring cunt, whatever. I'm not bothered. I've got thick skin. I'm a northerner, so some of you southerners probably can't understand this. It's not your fault. It's not your fault you were born a southerner. Some of us aren't. Some of us are fortunate enough to be good-looking northerners with fantastic beards, so not everyone's as blessed like that. But yeah, like, subscribe, watch this video, take some tips. Thanks for watching.
Use a razor, however, painstaking. Or if you're super good-looking cunt like me, or one of these bad boys, got to keep it trimmed. Now, you'll see what I've done here. That's not done. That's done. So if you're looking to restore a parcel shelf, now I haven't bothered with the cover on the blade, so it is literally straight down. But obviously you have to be careful, but this is the part I've done now. Just take that away. You can see straight away the bits I've done.
So yeah, you see massive improvement on that. Hopefully it sells quick, gets me some pennies, spend on my cars, and you have learnt some tips for free. So don't be copying and making your own video saying you've shaved your parcel shelf. Give it a short back and sides, because it's that good looking northerner who's told you, the one with a fantastic beard, me. So yeah, cheers for watching that. Like, share, subscribe, comment, say you're a cunt in comments, whatever you want to do, whichever way you're inclined. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully see you on the next video. I'm going to look on the next video, I think I'm going to do it on my Mark II Escort. So it's been sat there deprived in the garage for a while, so hopefully we'll come back to that. So tune in for the next episode. Sorry this one's short, sweet, bit boring, but at least it's been useful for you. Cheers.